In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from your Jumia app. If you keep on receiving a lot of pop-up notifications that are distracting you from Jumia app, then all you need to do is to stop them. To do so, go to your settings, and here's my settings. Then from here, look for the option called apps. Tap on it to open. Now look for the option called manage apps, and from here scroll down until you get to Jumia, and mine is here. Tap on it to open. Now if you go down and look for notification, you can see the notifications are turned to yes. That's why you are receiving those notifications. Now tap on it to open. As you can see, the show notification button is on. To stop all these notifications plus vibration, just go ahead and toggle this to off. And now from now on, you will never again see those pop-up notifications from Jumia. So that's how you stop Jumia pop-up notifications permanently. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.